Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting essentials so the format goes smoothly. Back up your user folders and browser profiles now, because once you reset, data is gone. This protects settings and licenses. Next, plug the laptop into AC power and check battery level to avoid shutdown during system reinstall. Make sure you have Windows 11 activation info and Dell drivers on a USB. This saves time after install. Once these are ready, restart into Windows settings to start the reset sequence immediately. You now choose the reset method that matches your goal. In Settings, go to System, Recovery, then Reset PC. Pick Remove Everything for a clean slate or Keep My Files if you want user data preserved. Decide between Cloud Download and Local Reinstall. Cloud fetches the newest build, but needs about 4 GB and a stable connection. Local uses files on the device and is faster offline. If performing a full clean install, you will pick and format partitions. Be deliberate, because formatting removes everything on those drives. You finish by completing the out-of-box experience, creating your user account and signing into Microsoft if desired, which restores sync and licenses. Then run Dell Support Assist and Windows Update to install chipset, display, and network drivers. This prevents hardware issues and improves battery life. Restore your backed up files and reinstall critical apps. Finally, verify Windows activation in Settings. If something goes wrong, a key troubleshooting step is to create a bootable USB on another PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.